When you look around, you will observe different animals with different structure and forms, as over a million species of animals have been described till now. The need for classifications become all the more important. The classifications also help in assigning a systematic positions to newly described species. 4.1 Basis of classifications. In spite of difference in structures and form of different animals, there are fundamental features common to various individuals in reactions to the arrangement of cell, body symmetry, nature of cielomes, patterns of digestive, circulatory or reproductive systems. These features are used as the basis of animal classifications and some of them are discussed here. 4.1.1 Level of organizations. Those all members of Animalias are multicellulars. All of them do not exhibit the same patterns of organizations of cell. For example, in Spongia, the cells are arranged as a loose cell aggregate, that is, they exhibit cellular level of organization. Some division of labor, that is, activities occurs among the cells in coelentrates. The arrangement of cell is more complex here. The cells performing the same function are arranged into tissue, hence is called tissue level of organization. A still higher level of organization, that is organ level, in exhibit by member of Platyhelminthes and other higher phyla where tissue are grouped together to form organs, each specialist for a particular functions. In animals like Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Chordata, organ have associated to form functional systems. Each systems concerned with a specific physiological functions. This pattern is called organ systems level of organizations. Organ system in different group of animal exhibit various patterns of complexity. For example, the digestive systems in Platyhelminthes has only a single opening to the outside of the bodies that serve as both mouth and anus and is hence called incomplete. A complete digestive system has two opening, mouth and anus. Similarly, the circulatory systems may be of two types. First, open types, in which the blood is pumped out of the heart and the cells and tissue are directly bathed in it, and second, closed type, in which the blood is circulated through a series of vessels of varying diameters, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. 4.1.2 Symmetry. Animals can be categorized on the basis of their symmetry. Spongy are mostly asymmetrical, that is, any plane that passes through the center does not divide them into equal halves. When any plane passing through the central axis of the bodies divide the organ into two identical halves, it is called radial symmetry. Coelentrates, Ctenophora and Echinoderms have this kind of body plane. Animal like Annelida, Arthropoda, etc., whereas the body can be divided into identical left and right halves in only one plane, exhibit bilateral symmetry. 4.1.3 Diploblastic and triploblastic organization. Animals in which the cells are arranged into embryonic layers and external epidermal and internal endodermal are called diploblastic. Animals, that is coelentrates and undifferentiated layers mesogilia is present in between the ectoderm and the endoderm. Those animals in which the developing embryo has a third germ layer, mesoderm, is between the ectoderm and endoderm are called triploblastic animals, that is Platyhelminthes to chordate. 4.1.4 Coelom. Presence or absence of a cavity between the body's wall and the cut wall is where in classification the body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. Animals possessing coeloms are called coelomates. Example: Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordates. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Inserted, the mesoderm is present as a scattered pouches in between this ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called pseudocoeloms and the animals possessing them are called pseudocoelomates. Example: Aschelminthes. The animal in which the body cavity is absent are called acoelomates. Example: Platyhelminthes. 4.1.5 Segmentation. In some animals, the body is externally and internally divided into segments with a serial representations of at least some organs. For example, in earthworm, the body shows the patterns called the metameric segment, and the phenomena is known as metamerism. 4.1.6 Notochord. Notochord is a mesodermally derived rod-like structures formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in some animals. Animals with notochord are called chordates, and these animals which do not form the structure are called non-chordates. Example: Porifera to Echinodermus. 4.2 Classification of animals. The broad classification of animal based on common fundamental features as mentioned in the preceding sections is given in the figure. The important characteristics feature of the different phyla are described. 4.2.1 Phylum Porifera. Members of the phylum are commonly known as spongias. They are generally marine and mostly asymmetrical animals. These are a primitive multicellular animal and have a cellular level of organizations. Spongi have a water transport or canal systems. Water enter through pores, that is ostia, in the body wall into a central cavity. Spongiosus form where it go out through the oscillum. This pathway of water transport is helpful in the food gathering, respiratory exchange, and removal of waste. Conocytes or collar cells line the spongias and the canals. Digestion in intracellular, the body is supported by a skeleton made of vesicles or spongin fibers. Sexes are not separate, that is, hermaphrodite. Example, eggs and sperm are produced by the same individuals. Sponges reproduce asexuals by fragmentation and sexuals by formation of gametes. Fertilization is internal and development in indirect, having a tabular stage which is a morphological distinguishing from the adults. Example, Sycon, that is Sypha, Spongilla, that is freshwater spongy, and Euspongia, that is both spongy. 4.2.2 Phylum Coelentata, that is Cnidaria. They are aquatic, mostly marine, sessile or free swinging, rapidly symmetrical animals. The name Cnidaria is derived from the cnidoplast or cnidocytes, that which contain these stinging capsules or nematocytes present on the tentacles and the body's cnidoplast are used for acroren's defense and for the capture of prey. Cnidarians exhibit tissue level of organization and are diploblastic. They have a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening mouth on hypostomy. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular. Some of the Cnidarians, example Corallus, have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Cnidarians exhibit two basis body form called pulp and medusa. The former is a sessile and cylindrical form like Hydra, Admesia, etc., whereas the latter is umbrella-shaped and free-swinging like Arula or jellyfish. Those cnidarians which exist in both forms exhibit alternation of generations, that is metagenesis. That polyps produce medusa asexuals and medusa from the polyp sexuals. Example, Oblea. Example, Phycelia, Admesia, Pentula, Gorginia, and Mandrina. 4.2.3 Phylum Ctenophora. Ctenophora, commonly known as a sea walnuts or combo jellies, are actually marine, radially symmetrical diploblastic organisms with a tissue level of organizations. The body bears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates which help in locomotion, digestion in both extracellular and intracellular. Bioluminescence, that's the property of a living organism to emit light, is well marked in Ctenophora. Sexes are not separated. Reproductions take place only by sexual means. Fertilization is external with the indirect development. Example, Plurobranchia and Tinoplana. 4.2.4 Phylum Platyhelminthes. They have dorsal ventral flatted bodies, hence are called flatworms. These are mostly endoparasites found in animals including humans beings. Flatworms are bilateral, symmetrical, streptoblastic and oscillomates. Animals with organ level of organization, hook and suckers are present in the parasite's form. Some of them absorb nutrition from the host directly through their body surface. Specialized cells called phloem cells help in osmoregulation and excretion. Sexes are not separated. Fertilization in internal and development is through many larval stages. Some member like planaria possess high regulation capacity. Example, Taenia and Fasciola. 4.2.5 Phylum Aschelminthes. The body of the Aschelminthes is circular in cross sections, hence the name roundworms. They may be free-living, aquatic and terrestrial parasite in plants and animals. Roundworms have organ systems level of body organization. They are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic and pseudocoelomates. Animal's alimentary canal is complete with a well-developed muscular pharynx. All excretory tube remove body waste from the body cavity through the excretory pores. Six are separated, that is dioecious, that's Males and females are destinating. Often females are longer than males. Fertilization in internal and development may be direct. The young one resemble the adult or indirect. Example: Ascaris, Wucheria, and Cyclostoma. 4.2.6 Phylum Annelida. They may be aquatic, that's marine and freshwater, or terrestrials, free living, and sometimes parasites. They exhibit organ systems, level of body organizations, and bilateral symmetry. They are triploplastic, metamerically segmented, and coelomates animals. Their body surface is a destinating marked out into segments or metameres, and hence the phylum name Annelida, that is Latin Animalia, that's Latin annulus, little ring. They possess longitudinal and circular muscles which help in locomotion. Aquatic annelida like Nereis possess lateral appendix parapodia which help in swinging. A closed circulatory system is present. Nephridia help in osmoregulation and excretions. Neural systems consist of a paired ganglion connected by lateral nerve to a double ventral nerve cord. Nereis, an aquatic form, is dioecious, but earthworm and leeches are monoecious. Reproduction is sexual. Example: Nereis, Peritima, and Hirudinaria. 4.2.7 Phylum Arthropoda. This is largest phylum of Animalia, which include insect. Over into third of all named species Arthropoda. They have organ systems, level of organizations. They are bilateral, symmetrical, triploplastic, segmented, and coelomates animals. The body of Arthropoda is covered by a cutaneous exoskeletons. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. They have jointed appendix, that's arthrojoint poda appendix. Respiratory organ are gills, book, lungs, or tracheal systems. Circulatory systems is of one type. Sensory organ like antenna, eyes, that is compound and simple. Statocytes or balancing organ are present. Excretions takes place through malphizian tubules. They are mostly dioecious. Fertilization is usually internal. They are mostly oviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. Example: economically important insects: apes, bombax, lacifers, vectors, Anopheles, clucks, and Aedes. Gregarious pests: Locusta, and living fossils: mules. 4.2.8 Phylum Mollusca. This is the second largest animals phylum. Mollusca are terrestrial or aquatic, that's marine or freshwater, having an organ systems, level of organizations. They are bilateral symmetry, triploplastic, and coelomates animals. Body is covered by a glaciaria cells and the unsegmented with a destinating head, muscular foot, and visceral hump. A soft and spongy layer of skin form a mantle over the visceral hump. The space between the hump and the mantle is called the mantle cavity, in which feather-like gills are present. They have respiratory and excretory functions. The anterior head regions has sincere ventricles. The mouth contains file-like rasping organ of feeding called radula. They are usually dioecious and oviparous with indirect development. Example: Pinacteda, Shipa, Loligo, and Octopus, Amylase, Dentilium, and Clutopura. 4.2.9 Phylum Echinodermata. The animal have an exoskeleton of calcareous ossicles and hence the name Echinodermata. Spiny bodies. Figure 4.1.4. All are marine with organ system, level of organizations. The adult echinoderms are radial symmetrical, but larvae are bilateral symmetrical. They are triploplastic and coelomates. Animal digestive systems is complete with mouth on the lower, that is ventral side, the anus of the upper, that dorsal side. The most distinguishing features of echinoderms in the presence of water vascular systems which help in locomotion, capture, and transport of food and respiration. An excretory system is absent. Sex are separated. Reproduction is sexual. Fertilization is usually external. Development is indirect with free swinging larvae. Example: Asteris, Echinus, Cucumeria, and Ophiura. Phylum Hemichordata. Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata, but now is placed as a separated phylum under non-chordates. Hemichordates have rudimentary structures in the collar regions called stomochord, a structure similar in notochord. This phylum consists of a small group of form-like marine animals with organ system level of organizations. They are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomates animal. The body is cylindrical and is composed of an anterior proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. Circulatory system is of open type. Respirations take places through gills. Excretory organs is basis gland. Sexes are separated. Fertilization is external. Development in indirect. Example: planoglacius and sacoglacius. 4.2.11 Phylum Chordata. Animals belonging to phylum Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of a notochord and dorsal hollow nerve cord and paired pharyngeal gill slides. These are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic coelomates with organ system level of organizations. They possess a post-anal tail and a closed circulatory system. Table 4.1 present a comparison of silent features of chordates and non-chordates. Phylum Chordata is divided into three subphylum: Urochordata or Tunicata, and Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Subphylum Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred to as Notochordata and are exclusively marine. In Urochordata, Notochordata is present only in larva tail, while in a Cephalochordata is extended from head to tail regions and present peristant throughout their life. Example: Urochordata, Acidia, Slappa, Dolium, Cephalochordata. Branchiostoma. The member of subphylum Vertebrata process notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. Thus, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Besides the basis chordates characteristics, vertebrates have a ventral muscular heart with 2, 3, or 4 chambers, kidney for excretions and osmoregulations, and paired appendix which may be fins or limbs. Class Cyclostoma. All living members of the class Cyclostoma are two parasites on some fishes. They have an elongated body bearing 6 to 15 pairs of gill slide for respirations. Cyclostomes have a sucking and a circular mouth without java. Their body is divided of scales and paired fins. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Circulations is of closed type. Cyclostoma are marine but migrate for swimming to fresh water. After swinging within a few days, they die. Their larvae after metamorphosis return to the ocean. Example: Petromyzome and Maxine. Class Chondrichthyes. They are marine animal with stem-like body and have cartilaginous endoskeletons. Mouth is located ventral. Notochord is peristant throughout life. Gills slides and separated and without operculum that gills cover. The skin is thought containing placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their java are very powerful. These animals are predaceous due to the absence of air bladder. They have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Heart is two-chambered. That's one article and one ventricle. Some of them have electric organs that example torpedo, and some possess poisonous sting. Example trigone. They are cold-blooded. It is pukothermals. Animals that they lack the capacity to regulate their body's temperature. Sexes are separated in males. Pelvic fins bear clasper. They have internal fertilization and many of them are viviparous. Example: Scelidomes, Tristia, Caracodon, Trigon. Class Osteichthyes. In included both marine and freshwater fishes with bony exoskeletons. Their body is streamlined. Mouth is mostly terminal. They have 4 pair of gills which are covered by an oculum on each side. Skin is covered with a cycloid ctenoid skulls. Air bladder is present which regulate buoyancy. Heart is two-chambered. That's one article and one ventricle. They are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separated. Fertilization is usually external. They are mostly oviparous. Development is direct. Example: marine exocutus, hippocampus, freshwater, rohu, catla, mangur, aquarium में fighting fish, petrophylum, that's angelfish. Class Amphibia. As the name indicated, that's amphi, dual bios life. Amphibians can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. Most of them have 2 pairs of limbs. Body is divided into head and trunk. Tail may be present in some. The amphibian's skin is most without Skulls, the eyes have a eyelid or tympanum represent their ear, alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber called cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Respiration is by gills, lungs and through skin. The heart is a three-chambered that's two valves and one ventricles. These are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separated. Fertilization is external. They are oviparous and development is indirect. Example: Buffo, Rana, Hyla, Salamandra. Class reptile. The class name refer to their creeping or crabbling mode of locomotion, that's Latin reaper or reptum, to creep and crawl. They are mostly terrestrial animal and their body is covered by a dry and cornified skins, epidermis, skulls or skirts. They do not have external ear opening. Tympanum represent ear, limbs when present are two pair. Heart is usually three-chambered but four-chambered. Crocodiles. Reptiles are eucothermous. Snake and lizard shed their skulls. As skin cast, sexes are separated. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous. Development is direct. Example: elon, testudo, chameleon, voltus. Crocodiles, alligator, hemidactylus, poisonous snakes, naja, bankers, vipera. Class apes. The characteristics features of apes that sport are the presence of feathers and most of them can fly except flightless bird. Example: ostrich. They possess beak. The form limbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have skull and are modified for walking, swinging or clasping. The three branches skin is dry without glands except the oil gland and the base of the tail. Exoskeleton is fully ossifilled, that's bony, and the long bone are hollow with air cavities, that's pneumatics. The digestive tract of bird has an additional chamber. The crop and gizzard heart is a compactly four-chambered. They are warm-blooded, homeothermous animals that they are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Respiration is by lungs, air sac connected to lungs supplement respiration. Sexes are separated. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous and development is direct. Example: cow, pigeon, parrot, ostrich, peacock, penguin, newfoundland, vulture. Class Mammalia. They are found in a variety of habitats: polar, steppe, desert, mountains, forest, grassland, and dark cave. Some of them have adapted to fly or live in water. The most unique mammalian's characteristics is the presence of milk-producing glands, that's mammary glands, by which the young one are nourished. They have two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, roving, swinging, or flying. The skin of animal is unique is possessing hair, external ears or pinna are present. Different type of teeth are present in the Java. Heart is a four chamber. They are homeothermic. Respiration is by lungs. Sexes are separated and fertilization is internal. They are viviparous with few exceptions and development is direct. Example: oviparous: Ornithorhynchus, viviparous: Macropus, Petropas, Camillus, Macaca, Rattus, Canis, Phils, Phus, Equus, Dolphinus, Blenoptera, Panthera tigris, and Panthera leo. The silent distinguishing feature of all phyla under animal kingdom is comprehensively given in the table 4.2.